Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a very short video to tell you about something exciting that's happening, something for you orchid lovers out there. Now, as some of you may know, the UK Melbourne Orchid Show took place recently and I couldn't go, it was terrible, but other people did, including John Greco from Barcelona. And John has kindly decided to give me, well, the lowdown on what he bought at the show. So I can't wait to find out what he did. So we're going to have a joint live streaming this Saturday, and John's going to show me the fantastic orchids he bought. So I can hardly wait. And if you want to tune into that live and ask questions, etc., then it's on Saturday the 23rd of June at 7 p.m. Irish time. So in Central European time, that's 8 p.m. US East Coast, that's 2 p.m. and US West Coast, that's 11 a.m. So I hope that many of you will join us then, and let's have some orchid fun. Bye.